today we will discuss about the block option in AutoCAD 2026. So first we will draw some geometry and taking some shapes like rectangle, and you can choose any of the graphic as your requirement. So we will cover this block option. So in this video we will cover the basic and all the advanced option of the block. So first we will take this option that create block. So what is the block? Block is the group of some objects. So if you draw some object and you want to combine these all in a one click or a single click, so you have to group the you have to block or create the blocks. So first I will tell you how to create block. So first you have to make all the object of your block. So then click in this option and name to the block. I am giving the H1, H1, 2, and these are two options that you can choose. You can choose by base point and you can choose by object. So you can check this by base point. I am showing you by selecting the object. So you have to click on the select object and you will proceed automatically to the display. And then you have to choose this and then click. And after selecting the object, you have to do enter. So you will back to this window and you can give the description, and if you want, if you doesn't want to give description about the block, so you can escape and then okay. So our object, our block will create. So when you keep moving to the object, the fully block will automatically blink or highlighted. So our block is created. And next is the edit block option. If you want to some changes in these blocks, in this or any one of the block you have made, so you can edit them by choosing this option. So I am showing this. So clicking on this and choose any of the block of your requirement. Here are three blocks are shown. One is in front of you, the H1 I have made, and these two I have made it before. So I am doing changes in this. So clicking on this and then OK. So this type of window will be open and you can changes by using these option and using on these option also. So here I want to create do some polyline. So clicking on this and this. So I am do some changes like that, and you can choose or draw any of the changes, and then next you have to close the edit block option, and the next window will be open as save the changes to H1 to HI2 and discard the changes. So I want to save the changes, and now clicking on this option. So the changes will be created here, and then next is the insert option. If your system has preloaded or recent blocks, so you can go there and insert by choosing this option. So I am choosing the recent block. In this my system has these type of recent block are here, and you are simply have to click on this and then it will came here. So I'm clicking here, and you are showing that this is the point. So this is not a point; it is a block. I'm zooming it. So this is smaller in geometry, smaller in size, and you can expand it by using that size, by using the scale option like that. And now further more stretching. scale, and then scale, then enter, and you can enlarge it as. So this is how you can insert. And these are next option in this insert. So you can insert by your favorite block. If you have some favorite blocks, so you can insert from this, and blocks from library. You can insert from your system also. So these options are also available in this panel. So current drawing, these are the blocks in this current drawing. And next is recent. Recent you have previously made a blocks are here, and the next is favorite. So there is no favorite block of mine. If you have some favorite blocks, so you can save it by adding an option to the favorite block. And next is the library option. If you have some pre-reloaded or some shared blocks, so you can open it from your library. If you there is no in my system, so I can't show. So there is no. If you have some blocks in library, so you can open it. So the option insert is clear, and next is detect and convert. Some drawing to be detected. So it will scan the drawing, your maiden drawing, and the running detection and the processing the result. So after some time, your block will be made automatically. So there is no object is detected here, and we are crossing this. And if you have some good drawings, so this is the basic tutorial. I'm not drawing some high tech design or some other graphics. So this is not showing here. And next is same as the search and convert. So these two are the basic AI tools to convert block or search the block option. So these options are cleared, and the last option is this attribute. If you want to add some attribute to the blocks, in previous in previous videos, I have not cleared the what are attributes. We will learn in this insert option. So attributes will be come into the insert option, and then we will learn the insert. So I am leaving this option in here. So the next option is the replace. So this is the modified tool or advanced tool in this block option. And after clicking this option, so this this is asked to select one or more object to be replaced. I am selecting this block and then enter. So this window will be open, and all the blocks you have made in before will shown here. So I am taking this. So this will not showing. So I am calling the window, and this will show here. So the size is small because it is not showing. That side is not showing. So you can zoom it or you can scale it also. So scaling as you want. That click on this and then enter. So increase the size as. So you can increase the size as using the scale option also. So the replace option is clear now. And then next is the define attribute. So these are the attributes option. That's why I'm not showing in this video or not explaining. We will discuss the attributes in detail in this insert option. When we will learn all this option in this, then we will come to insert option. So we will discuss the attribute option. And next is the attribute same attributes related option. So I am not discussing these four and one here. So these are five attributes option, and I'm not discussing. So the next last option is the set base point. So you will see that this is the base point with respect to your drawing is to be made. So this is already or pre-selected base point. You can made base point by your own choice. So by clicking on this option, and anywhere you want to click or any of the geometry edge or anywhere you want to click, the base point will be created. If you want to click the other here and The base point will be started from here and then enter. So you can see the base point value of this. So this is the base point. You can check it or define the base point by using this option. So we covered the all block option in this video. So till then keep learning, keep practicing. After this block option learning, we will come to the properties. So to learn from this video, so like this and subscribe my channel.